How does an automation guy, like an OT guy, think about all those crazy things that come from the IT universe? How does this help to converge IT with OT?
The honest answer to that is actually, Matthias, automation people usually tend not to trust any IT things at all.
Mm-hmm.
What you strive for in automation is rock solid performance. And so in the minds of automation people, this rock solid performance only comes from you buy a box, it has a feature, it's on there forever, and you don't have to touch it anymore.
And how have you now redefined that?
What we did is we now took these applications, because in the end it's applications, and together with our partners, we virtualized these applications and now have them run on a high-performance, hyper-converged infrastructure that is capable of hosting real-time applications. Combining that with a real-time network leads to cyber-physical systems where you can detach the compute from the actual hardware. So we can disaggregate compute and hardware.
So that means a new feature is not a box. A new feature is a new piece of software that you can put in a container in your hyper-converged infrastructure.
Right. And it sounds so simple,
yeah,
but it hasn't been done in the automation world before, at least not down to millisecond latency. That's exactly what we need to become future-proof. We buy mechanical equipment to last for decades. How do you buy a mechanical equipment today that has the computing needs already in the box,
right, yeah,
that we will need 5 years down the road or 10 years down the road? We know so much cool software, algorithms will come, AI applications. How do we provide a compute today that will encompass that?
Yeah.
We need scalable compute.